Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your phone supports photo widgets and that you have a widget-capable app installed. This saves wasted steps later. Next, select the album or folder of images you want to surface and tidy it so the right photos appear. Once done, open the widget picker by long pressing the home screen because that immediately begins the placement flow. Make sure to allow any required permissions. Without storage or photos access, the widget cannot show images. You drag the photo widget onto the home screen and size it according to how much real estate you need, which determines resolution and crop. Then tap the widget to open its configuration. Pick the specific album, set rotation or slideshow speed, and choose update interval so images refresh at the cadence you want. Also set tap behavior, open gallery, open single photo, or cycle images, because that controls how you interact with the widget once it's live. You finish by confirming images update and display correctly. Observe for one full cycle if using a slideshow. If the widget shows a blank or old photo, make sure the app has photo permissions and that the chosen album is not in cloud-only format. Switch images to local storage if needed. If problems persist, remove and re-add the widget, clear the widget app cache, and reboot the device. This resets the launcher and often resolves stubborn refresh or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.